So you want to know how to get access to a removable drive on your Mac. This is pretty easy. It works the same whether it's an external hard drive or if you're going old school like an old floppy or any other kind of removable media, an SD card, whatever. The place you're going to want to look is the Finder. If you're not already in the Finder, go to Finder and bring up a Finder window. If your desktop is visible, you will also see external drives here. I also find it useful to have drives show up in the sidebar here. To make sure that happens, you can go to the Finder Preferences and make sure that on the sidebar option, you've chosen hard disks, external disks, CDs, DVDs, etc., all to show up on your sidebar when they're plugged in. Now, as I said, this will work with any type of external media. I am going to plug in an external hard drive, and you'll see it show up. Now, you can see that this Alex Emsela drive has shown up on my desktop. It's shown up in my sidebar. And if I clicked on the location for my computer itself, it would also show up in the list of drives that are present there. And then if I want to actually see what's on that drive, I can click on it in any of those places, double click. And here are all the files that are on that drive, and I can access them normally. When you are done with this drive and no longer want it connected to your computer and you need to eject it, in some cases there will be physical eject buttons, but on a Macintosh you always want to eject that drive before you unplug it, before you use the physical eject button, anything like that. Just makes things safer. You can do that from the Finder by clicking this eject icon next to the listing in the sidebar. If you are looking at it here, you'll notice the eject button is also available. Or if you prefer on the desktop itself, you can use your secondary click, and in the contextual menu there will be an eject option. Or finally, from the desktop or any of those other locations, you can just click on the item, click hold, and drag to your trash, which you'll see has changed into an eject icon. And let go. And using any one of those methods, it is now gone. And that's how you use removable media on a Mac.